Hello guys, another Pitch&Paws videos. I'm Evan, this is Anna, and this is Bella. We are here at... Oh boy, Spittle of Glen Newick.
Yeah.
Did I nail it?
Yeah.
Did I get it right?
Spittle of Glen
Nailed it.
Newick.
And we are here on a hike today with some friends. This is going to be the longest hike we've ever done.
Yeah, longest and highest.
Twice as long in distance than Old Man Coniston, which we couldn't even complete. 50% more elevation gain than Old Man Coniston. Are we going to make it?
Are we going to make it?
Are we going to die somewhere on the mountains? Who knows?
That's why we're filming the intro now, because you might not ever see us again.
If you don't hear from us, thanks for watching the videos. Thanks for subscribing. Subscribe now anyway.
Probably best to do that bit now.
Yeah, do it now before it's too late. We got two friends doing it with us.
Yeah.
So hopefully that will mean we're not going to chicken out of this one this time.
Yeah, we don't want to look uncool.
Yeah,
fail.
we're cool. We've done this before.
But I think we're prepared, right? As much as we can be. We've got lunch, we've got warm clothes that I'm already wearing.
Yeah, I thought we were going to be putting gloves and stuff like that on further up, but it's already pretty cold.
I think we're okay. We've got a first aid kit, we've got water, we've got hiking poles, we've got warm clothes.
Got a dog.
I've got Bella for moral support.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm going to be like Bella because she has no idea what's coming. I'm going to channel my inner Bella and just...
You don't want to know what's coming our way.
I'm not going to think about it. I'm just going to enjoy the sights and smells, and then I'll be tired after.
Let's get on with it. Let's
go for a walk.
Let's try and tackle this beast. The whole trail was super windy, so we couldn't record any audio. But we decided to do voiceovers now, so you have us for the rest of the video.
And I feel like one of the first things we need to do is introduce our friends. We're going on this walk today with Matt and Rob. Okay, so that's introductions done. Let me tell you about the walk we're doing today. So we found it on All Trails, and we've put a link in the description below. And it's a 20-kilometer loop with a 950-meter elevation gain. The highest point is 1,100 meters high. So we're in for quite the climb.
So the walk started off quite easy. We're just on flat ground, going around the lake, got into this little pretty wood here. But once we got out, it got really steep.
And the path wasn't very clear either. We almost got lost in the first hour. Luckily, All Trails kept us en route, and we knew that we were coming up to a point of interest, which was a waterfall.
Oh, the waterfall was great, wasn't it?
Yeah, I loved it. I could have just walked up to the waterfall and spent all day there, to be honest.
Well, we enjoyed the waterfall. We got some pretty footage of it, but then we had to keep going, keep climbing, because it's a very long walk. And we kept going up until we reached snow.
It was quite fun to see snow on the ground, and we couldn't help but be a little bit childish. And as you can see, Bella really enjoys the snow as well.
Well, we've been walking for quite a while now, to the point where the loch is completely out of view, and we're about to start our final ascent, and things are getting pretty tough now.
In fact, I heard a rumour that they put steps in this part of the route to help Queen Victoria climb up to the top of Lochnagar.
I don't think it make anything any easier.
No, my legs were definitely feeling it. By the time we got to the top, cramp was really starting to set in.
As you can see, we're in the clouds now, but the peak is inside, which means we've actually made it.
So cue the cheesy celebrations, and of course we had to have a photo shoot at the top after we enjoyed these amazing views.
It was so cold and windy up top. So after the photo shoot, we just wanted to find some shelter from the wind, change into some warmer clothes and get lunch going.
Okay, so let's just talk about lunch for a second. We were way too ambitious here. We thought we would try and have hot food at the top. So we took a camping stove and some gas and we were gonna boil some water to add to noodles.
That water did not want to boil, did it?
Maybe it had something to do with the temperature and the altitude and...
the wind. So I pretty much ended up eating dry noodles. Didn't bother me.
They were not tasty.
No, but I was hungry.
So yeah, I think lunch was the biggest fail of this trip. We did not bring the right type of food or enough food to give us the energy that we needed for this walk.
And I'm never boiling water again like that.
No, next time we are not going to attempt to cook at the top of a mountain. Let's keep it simple.
After that horrible lunch that we just had, things got a little bit sketchy because the weather had come in, there was a bit of fog and there was a lot of snow on the ground and we had to go off-route and down some boulders. We were all struggling at this point. Our energy was low, our muscles were aching, and we knew we had a long way to go to get to the car. But this hero pulls out a packet of rich tea biscuits.
I have never been so happy to see rich tea biscuits in my whole life.
It was literally one of the best things we ate on that trip.
I think those rich tea biscuits actually saved us.
I think you might be right.
So after that glorious biscuit break, we had a little bit more snow to get through.
Which, let's be honest, some of us found more challenging than others.
Hey, I hope you're not talking about me.
No.
Okay, maybe I did struggle on the snow, just a tad, but my muscles were hurting by this point.
Luckily, once we got through the snow, the walk to the car park was actually pretty easy. And right at the end of the walk, we came across this beautiful group of deer which were crossing the path right in front of us.
This was so amazing to see. I feel like it was a highlight at the end of a really long walk. Oh, it is such a good feeling when you finally get back to the car. Bless Bella, I don't know how she had the energy to keep going on this walk today. And when we did put her in her crate, she was licking her paws. I think they must have been hurting her a little bit.
Yeah, bless her. She probably did 3 times the distance we all did.
But don't worry, she got so many treats when she got home.
Well, we did it, guys. We didn't think it was possible. It was a lot of distance to cover, a lot of elevation to gain.
Yeah.
But we managed it. So now we have a new personal best when it comes to hiking, and this opens up so many more hikes to us because, well, we're not really scared of doing the longer hikes now.
Now we know that our bodies can handle it. We can go on so many more walks. But next time we'll definitely take a better lunch and we'll scrap the idea of trying to cook a hot lunch, I think.
So we want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram where we post all the photos from these walks. And also don't forget to check out our website, pitchandpaws.com.
Thanks guys, see you on the next video.